Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. I saw this project on the internet and I thought that looked really cool. I don't really have any plans or drawing to build this from, but I do have a few pictures, so we'll see how we go. Let's do this. Ah, great. A little bit of tension in this board. Hopefully I can save it. The gluing is done, and I must admit I was a little bit afraid how it would turn out, because I didn't use any clamping force. I only used CA glue and standard wood glue. But it really turned out almost perfect. Now I don't know if that was luck or because I'm just awesome. I would definitely go with the last part. Let's take the sander and clean it up and see how we really did. I think that's close to being perfect. I'm quite happy with it. Let's give it some oil and then we're done. And we're done. I really think that this is a cool looking piece. And you can put these anywhere you want. It's really quite a unique piece and you don't see a lot of them. I guess you can also sell these. I don't know if they can actually be sold and what price, but I guarantee you there's not a lot of these around. This one though is not going to be sold because, believe it or not, this has actually been wife approved. So this is actually allowed to come inside the house. Anyway, hit that like button and do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.